get noticed in this 2011 GMC Canyon. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.